Okay, let's talk about the review of the Jio Dongle JDR 810 model. Have been using this dongle for a couple of weeks now, and I'm going to share the review with pros and cons of this dongle. And if you're planning to purchase this dongle, make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you will get a good idea what are the things I faced were very bad and what are the good things in this model. So without making any further delay, let's get started. Hello everyone, myself Alshekar and you're watching Tech Bunny. If you're new here, consider the subscribe button and click the bell icon to the side of it to get every video notification whenever I post a new video in this channel, and also hit the like button and spread the happiness through this video. Before going in depth features and the review of this dongle, let's have a look at the unboxing.
This is how the package comes like. I ordered from the Flipkart and it is a retailer packaging. If you are going to buy this, you will also receive this package like this. Quickly opening and let's have a look at inside. The dongle comes like this in the cylinder type packaging, having a bubble wrap around it. Very good packaging. After removing the bubble wrap, you can see on the top Jio name is there. Here it is having a seal with a barcode. If it is removed before you opening, means that someone is already used it. It is like security sticker. Here they given the pricing as 3119 rupees. As it is discontinued, sellers are selling this one pricing at whatever they like it. Literally, I purchased this one at 3800. In my life, first time I am purchasing a product online at more than the actual MRP. This is also one of the reasons to do not buy this one. On the back they given a barcode and a default password to connect it. After breaking the seal, inside we are having these contents. A basic 5 watts charger, Jio 4G hotspot cum dongle, and some paperwork and user manual obviously. After observing this closely, clearly seen that it was used by someone before, as so many scratches, color washout out there. Inserting the Jio SIM is very easy to like the old mobiles. Just remove the back panel and open the SIM lock. Place the SIM card, lock it and close the back panel, that's all. Coming to the connection, this is how you can connect this to the charger and use it, or else you can use it with power bank or laptop too. It's totally up to you. When it comes to the indicators, 3 indicators are there. Red, which indicates bad or no signal, blue indicates normal signal, and green indicates very good signal. Also, hotspot indicator is also there. To get to know the password, it is available on the back of the box, or else you can find the back of the dongle after opening the back door. Let's quickly set up and check the speed test. I started to test with the speed test app, but it doesn't working, so I decided to test with fast, which is a Netflix one. It is showing 8.1 Mbps speed. Let's see how it works in actual scenario.
That's all about the unboxing, guys, and I'm going to share the review with real-time usage. I have been using this one for a couple of weeks now, and more than 1 month I'm using. That's why I'm telling couple of weeks, and I will share what are the things I faced really good in this one, what are the things I faced really bad in this one. Trust me, there are many bad things when compared to the good things in this model. This one is priced at 3800 in Flipkart. If you are planning to purchase, wait, watch this video till the end, and then if you are interested, you can purchase. You will get an idea why I am telling this one. So don't click the link in the description and simply purchase this one. Watch this video till the end. In a single word, I am telling, don't buy this one. Don't buy the Jio dongles, because Jio dongles are stopped more than a year ago. They completely stopped the production and we don't know whenever they come back. The things whatever available in the online, they are like refurbished one, or someone purchased this one for n units and they again selling the Amazon or Flipkart platforms. So don't buy this one. When it comes to the percentage, 80% or bad things I faced in this one, only around 20% I faced good things, and these good things won't help for your daily to daily life and won't help for better using of internet. Let's have a look at the bad things first. The very first bad thing I faced in this one is, if you want to use this dongle, you need only Jio SIM. No another SIM is supported in this one. But for some people it is okay, but for me it's not a worthy deal for me, because I use different SIM cards. In my family members also use different SIM cards, I use Airtel BSNL. For this dongle only, I purchased a Jio SIM and recharged it and then using in this one. So it supports only Jio SIM. If you are planning to purchase another one which supports all SIM cards, this is the best deal for you, and I will share the review of this one also in another video. But for this video, let's talk about the Jio dongle. And next bad thing I faced this one is no inbuilt battery. If it is having inbuilt battery like this one, whatever may be the situation, if your power goes off or your laptop turns off, no problem. If it is having inbuilt battery, you can use it along for a couple of hours and it's a very good one. But this one doesn't have any inbuilt battery in it. If power goes up, we can't use this dongle. And next thing I faced in this one is it is having a lot of heating issues, guys, and trust me, I have been using for a couple of weeks, again I am telling, and within a span of some couple of minutes it starts heating up. And if you use it for more than hours and hours of time, it really very hard to touch. And even the radiation, when it comes to the radiation also, it emits a lot of radiation. In the book itself, they given that if it is having somewhat, if you are facing any radiation, just keep away from 20 feet distance and then use it. 20 feet is nothing but more than 2 houses than to me. How can I use that one? And also the main feature lagging in this dongle is it doesn't support any calling feature and it doesn't support any messaging features. Means if you want to call with your Jio SIM, I mean if you connected this one, you cannot call. Even Wi-Fi calling is also not available in this one. But when it comes to the Jio Fi 2, Jio Fi, those are having calling and texting feature. That's a great thing. But this one doesn't have anything, only for hotspot and for data purpose only. You have to use this JIO JDR 810. And also next problem I faced is you can't control the hotspot devices. Like some settings are also there. You probably know if you're using any Wi-Fi in your home, you can customize the speed. You can shift to the 2.4 or 5 gigahertz speed, and even you can change the passwords, name. There are many things you can change, but in this dongle it's really very hard to change that one. Even one website is also there for tweaking some settings, but it took me around 30 minutes of time to reach that website, literally 30 minutes. And after reaching it, I have to wait for another couple of minutes, I mean almost 1 hour to change some settings. This is how it is bad. That is why I'm telling they stopped the production. That's why they are not at all supporting through the backend. No software updates, no firmware updates are available for this one. So better you don't purchase this one. But for your reference, I'm posting this video. That's all about the bad things I faced. There are more bad things and there are many more bad things out there. If you use it along, you can face, even I am also facing some bad things. So that's why I'm telling don't buy this one. Coming to the good things, there are only some good things in this one. It's like around 30 seconds I will tell. One is light in weight, and number 2 is compact, and number 3 is you can use it anywhere. These are the good things I faced. Yes, that's all. These are the good things I faced in this one. By the way, if you are enjoying this content, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to the side of it. It really boosts me to post some more quality videos like this. And finally, one word regarding this one is don't buy this Jio dongle. Instead of that, I purchased this Hawaii dongle and I will post this one review in another video. Stay tuned for that. And don't buy this one. And also I am returning this Jio dongle also. It's a waste of money, guys. It's worthless also. That is why. So I am giving it back to the Flipkart. See you soon. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Watch these videos and hit the subscribe button again and tell me. Bye bye.